Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can remove RTO Challan, fraud app or virus app from your device completely. Hackers are getting smarter day by day because technology is also growing and they are taking help of multiple methods and they are using extraordinary methods to scam people. So I'm gonna share a best technique. If you have accidentally downloaded any virus app or artificial app or any kind of APK file from WhatsApp, or because hackers are sending these types of files directly from WhatsApp. This can be an unknown number that you can get a file from. So if you have accidentally downloaded this, so don't worry and don't fear. All you have to do is, once if you have downloaded a file, don't worry about anything. The first thing is this: you have to go to you don't have to do anything. First you have to turn off the internet and then directly apply the aeroplane mode. When you turn on the aeroplane mode, all the connection with the hacker will be completely disabled, and once connection will be broken, that person cannot access your data and cannot do anything with your device. After that, you have to go to settings. You can see settings here, and after going to settings you have to look for app management. We can see all the apps here right now. If we have accidentally downloaded that app, so we will search for that app. Yes, so we will find that app here, right guys. And if we see any unknown APK that we have a doubt on and we are sure of that this is the app that is causing the issue and you have downloaded accidentally, just delete that app from there. And after completing deleting that app, just you are completely safe. That's how you can easily remove any kind of virus app from your device. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.